Dua, tiga.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings, brothers. My name is Ataya Azizshek, and I'm from SMAS Ahmad Dauman. And today, please allow me to deliver a speech for you. Do you realize, day by day, technology are improving in students' life? Where we used to take paper as an exam, now it's all online. In the past, parents often accompanied their children to complete their work. Now there are AI and other things to complete it. This is the impact of technology on education. Today, who doesn't use technology? Of course, people and surroundings use it for their life, especially for students from elementary school to high school. Students use technology to attend their school and do their assignment, do their work, or maybe to study, and so on. With the advancement of technology, students can go easily to school. Now, let me tell you more about what is the impact of technology on education. In 2024, education is spread by various kinds of technology. That way, we can easily find learning media on internet. Let's take an example of children's life. In children's life, they learn many things by playing and interacting to their friends and their parents. And now, almost all children are shown by YouTube channels like CoComelon, which contain basic things like how to apologize, how to thank to other people, name animals, and others. This is a positive signal that technology provides more interesting learning so that children are not bored and they can learn quickly to around them. Yes, we know that channels like CoComelon is just a kids channel, but is there any negative side of it? Unfortunately, there is. When children can get addicted to gadgets. And today, in this age, the element of LGBT are more than live. And even the kids channel youth are also influenced. So here, parents must be smart to adapt to technology so that they can save the children from the bad effect of technology. Technology also makes it easier for students to attend their school. With Google and AI, they can complete their homework easily and more efficiently. And with communication apps like WhatsApp, they can interact with their friends in distance, whether they want to talk to each other or maybe want to discuss something together. Not stopping at academics, students who like sports and other hobbies also can search what the things they like on the internet. Those students who want to be a professional, they can search tutorial videos that are made by professional people on the internet. Is the internet the only thing that helps students? Unfortunately, there is still transportation. Transportation is something that often attached to the student. With the advancement of technology, students can go to school with a various kind of way. With the various kind of way and the various kind of vehicle, students can save time to go to school. So here, this is a significant impact on academic, non-academic, and transportation. But besides that, students have to be aware too the negative side. Do not let the internet be used on different things such as pornography, online bets, and other. Because nowadays, bad things and criminals are spread massively. So in conclusion, education are affected by technology in various kinds. The positive is technology can be a powerful learning medium and can be a great assistant in daily education. But the bad thing is, criminals also use technology to spread the terror. So, the world of education is not only safe, from the bad effect of technology. That's all for my speech, and let me end my speech by a quote. Technology should improve your life, not become your life. Billy Collins. Thank you and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.